first time niyang sumakay ng airplane. Are you scared? Excited?
No. Just be
Excited?
careful. Is that the engine?
Mm-mm. So today is...
Puppy.
Ganyan ang saya mo lang. Ano ba yan? See you next year.
The factory is all the way there.
Dito na. We're here. Di mo na
We're
mapos
here.
na.
Mom,
That's Ate Angel's luggage.
yeah, that's at the angel's luggage.
Uh-oh. Gabriel's luggage. Yes. Can you say
Where's the
bye-bye?
airplane?
Say bye-bye.
Luggage.
Oopsie. Lorraine pala.
Mama,
Okay, we're done with luggage, right?
Okay. Hi. Hi, bebe.
everybody.
Aba, ang ganda ng luggage ni ate. Oh, wow! Wow! Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Sino? Oh, day. Smile, baby, smile.
The airplane is right there. That's a very long airplane.
Paano mo nasabi na dito?
That was an airplane. Yay!
See the big airplane in here. Here you go.
Look down there. That's a big airplane. Where?
Oh, wow! Pati. Dance. Yay! Keep going. Ano? Biar kita bijak terus. Bata excited oh. Dito.
Ba't ang kulit mo kasi?
Give. Sige. Ganyan. Ba naman yung dance mo? Okay. Gabriel, are you excited, bebe? Jump. Hi. Hello. Say hi here, Gabriel. Where are you?
Airplane. I want to look outside.
Can I look
What's
outside?
that? This is an airplane. There's so many airplanes around us.
Yes.
Movie. Minion. That man is so happy.
Ate.
Movie.
ドットコムからご登録ください。ポイントを永してお得な特典をご利用いただけます。
That's the engine.
That's where we're going.
It's the plane. So loud. That's the engine.
What's that called?
This up here. No, wait. Up here. That airplane is so nice. I'm going to Philippines now.
Yes. Gabriel.
Hi. Our plane is gonna take off for a while.
Excited?
Lagga po nang inata nga pasi nga data.
Batang ito kanina padaldal ng daldal.
Wait. Pause it. It's so fast. Rocket now. Wait. I want to look down.
Okay. Kailangan mo patag
these.
Philippines now. I know where.
Some airplanes have big. Some airplanes are big. Some airplanes are small, right?
Yes, you're right. Ang linis ng Japan. This is Japan Airport. Free. Magkagaruda.
1,500 yen divided by 2. Gusto niya? Makakasakit kayo pero.
Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ganyan. Taka talaga. Patingin nga yung bibig kong cute. Ah, Isman. Ay. Kulit ko talaga.